Are you tired of your Facebook accounts getting banned instantly? Losing time and money in checkpoints is a nightmare for every marketer. Stop worrying about those restrictions. We have developed a breakthrough solution designed to nurture your accounts and make them bulletproof against Facebook security bots. Our software introduces a game-changing feature, unlimited account management. You can now manage hundreds or even thousands of profiles in one single dashboard. Each account operates in its own isolated environment with dedicated proxies, ensuring there is absolutely no cross-linking between your assets. Experience the power of fully automated nurturing. The software automatically logs into your account using saved sessions and cookies. This bypasses traditional login flags and keeps your profile stable from the very first second. It doesn't just stay idle. It acts exactly like a real human user. Our system performs randomized actions. It scrolls through the newsfeed, pauses to read information, and interacts with trending posts to build a realistic and trustworthy data trail. It even watches Facebook Reels and videos to significantly boost account ease. By simulating human-like scrolling speeds and variable dwell times, our automation stays completely under the radar. Facebook says, "I will see you as a legitimate, highly active user rather than a bot." This is the ultimate way to build a massive, high-trust account farm on complete autopilot, saving you from hours of tedious manual work. The benefits are clear. You save time, reduce costs, and eliminate frustration. By automating the warm-up process, you can focus on what actually makes money scaling your ad campaigns and reaching more customers without the constant fear of being disabled. Achieve 100% security and stability for your marketing infrastructure. Stop struggling and start scaling your business today. Subscribe for more expert tips.